Hello guys, luto tayo na carrots with ampalaya. Ampalaya with carrots. Yan guys. Panggatong natin guys is kahoy. Mekos lang yan guys. Mekos guys. Mekos lang yan guys. Yan guys, mekos guys. Mekos guys. Napaka-healthy to guys. Pwede itong ibaon guys. Pwede itong baonin kahit saan, kahit kailan. Yan guys. Ampalaya with carrots. Maganda sa katawan to.